Hello and welcome to How to Get a Job as a Web Developer. In this course, we're going to look into how you can break into web development because it's not an easy thing to do. We're going to talk about learning industry tips, tricks, and secrets, and all sorts of stuff in this course. Now, here's what you're going to learn in this course. Which sources to believe when they tell you, certain advice. Do you believe things in Facebook groups? Do you believe things in LinkedIn groups? Like, where are the sources coming from? What is GitHub and is it important to you? Is it more important than a portfolio website, or how important is your portfolio website? We're going to talk about things like perfectionism is the enemy. You do not want to be a perfectionist in this world. We're going to talk about how to determine which skills are worth learning so you don't learn everything under the sun. And turns out you're not going to need most of them. Which companies are looking, or what companies are looking for in an employee. We're going to go over a bunch of interview tips and tricks, different resume strategies, which jobs to apply for, how to apply for more jobs in less time with actual results, not just theory. And then I'm going to teach you about the secret to landing your dream job. And it actually works for really any job, but it goes significantly beyond things like resumes. And then we're going to talk about what the most valuable skills in web development are, how you can earn a living while you learn to code, or what I like to call earn while you learn. That's going to be the last thing we talk about. Hello, I am your teacher. My name is Caleb Tulleen. I've been a web developer for over 20 years. I've been a premium online instructor for over 8 years. I have actually everything in this course I've actually done. And I know that this works because I got 12 interviews in 12 weeks with 11 callbacks. So the success rate was very, very high. And so everything I did to make it work for me, I'm going to teach you everything I did, and hopefully it works for you as well. Once again, thank you for watching this intro video to how to get a job as a web developer. I hope to see you in that first lesson.